Hey there! In this video, we will be covering the topic, how to reconnect SkyBell Video Doorbell to Wi-Fi. In this demonstration, we will be using the SkyBell HD Video Doorbell and the SkyBell mobile app. The mobile app is available for both Android and iOS users in the App Store, and the icon is a green and black circle with SkyBell HD. Keep in mind your SkyBell HD Video Doorbell stores your Wi-Fi network name and password. So if you make changes to either of these, you will need to resync your video doorbell to ensure that it's connected to the internet. If you're not connected to the internet, you're not connected to the SkyBell servers, and your videos can't be recorded or downloaded. If you are receiving a rapidly blinking orange LED light on your video doorbell, it has lost connection with the internet and needs to be resynced. First, we want to verify that your router and internet are set up correctly. If everything looks correct on your connection, we'll begin by opening the SkyBell Video Doorbell app, SkyBell HD, on your phone or tablet. While in front of your doorbell, press and hold the SkyBell button for about a minute. The LED will begin flashing, first rapid green, After about a minute, your SkyBell will default to sync mode, which is the flashing red and green. In the app, you can select Add New SkyBell Device and follow the instructions on screen to complete the setup. SkyBell HD does require a 2.4 GHz wireless router connection with its own SSID. At this time, it will not work with a 5 GHz connection. Also, SkyBell works best in areas where the upload-download speed is at least 1.5 megabits per second. If you have Wi-Fi signal strength issues, you can move your router closer to your door or purchase a Wi-Fi range extender. Because of integration issues, we strongly encourage Total Connect users to first set up a SkyBell account on the SkyBell app to sync and set up your video doorbell. Then link your SkyBell account to your Total Connect account for total integration. If you're unable to reconnect your SkyBell to your Wi-Fi, or if you have any other questions, please contact our office at 615-422-5276. And don't forget to check out our other videos.